Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add screen mirroring to your Mac's menu bar. Perfect if you often mirror your display to a TV or external monitor. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks. To start, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left and scroll down until you find Control Center. Click on it. This section lets you choose what appears in your Mac's menu bar. Find screen mirroring in the list. By default, it might be set to Don't Show in Menu Bar. Click the drop-down and choose either Always Show in Menu Bar or Show when Active, whichever works best for you. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see the screen mirroring icon, those two overlapping rectangles. Click at any time to start mirroring your display or to access display settings for TVs or external monitors. And that's it. Super easy. If this video helped, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more Mac tips. See you in the next video.